So we're making a quesadilla. I can't even say it.
Quesadilla?
We are making a quesadilla grilled cheese colored like the Mexican flag.
Look at these colorful cheeses we have. I actually love this one. It might be my favorite one yet.
I think it's the tastiest grilled cheese we've made yet.
And it's so cool. Like, the cool level is out of this world.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
It's out of this country.
I mean,
oh!
So we're starting with sourdough bread. We got a couple breads. We got like a jalapeno cheddar, which I'm still convinced would be good. We fell so in love with the sourdough bread that we had to go with that.
So good. I think we should start by mixing our cheeses.
Okay. Give us the bags,
Sure.
maestro. This is the kind of dye we use. Jess found it. Where'd you get this?
Michael's. It is just the Wilton dye. You can get it at pretty much any craft store.
And it's so good that I chose green because it says Kelly Green and my middle name is Kelly.
There you go. Aw,
Okay,
perfect.
we initially did this by just putting the cheese in a bowl and using a fork, but we figured out that it'd be way better to put the cheese in a bag and then put the food coloring in, which you only need a little bit because a little goes a long way with this food dye. So like this is all I'm putting on. Make your cheese look like it's molding.
Mine looks bloody. Gross.
But the kids will love doing this if you have kids.
Yes, a great kid-friendly thing.
Your boyfriends who are incapable of cooking anything will also enjoy doing this. But like, look guys, we put a tiny bit on.
Tiny,
and it's
tiny. Like I didn't even put all of mine on.
Yeah, it's already changing colors and we want it super vibrant. So I'm gonna make mine a little bit more green. This is my favorite one. I like easy recipes. It says non-toxic food coloring. You can eat the food coloring. Shake it up, shake it. What's that song?
Shake, shake, shake your booty.
I wasn't trying to go with the booty song. Shake it up, shake it up.
There we go.
Trying to be PG Taylor
There's a lot of
Swift here.
shaking. There's a lot of shaking.
I'm talking about
songs.
my booty. Look, this is as fun as tie-dyeing, but like better than tie-dyeing.
But not as messy.
Yeah, it looks good.
Perfect.
Woo, so green, except I spilled mine everywhere. Step 2, eat a little piece of cheese.
Eat cheese.
Step 3,
Got it.
are we gonna butter our bread first?
Yeah, I think we should. I actually like putting it right on the griddle and then just kind of
Mushing it
smushing
around.
so it gets a nice layer of butter.
All right.
I don't think it's like the proper way to butter your bread, but it works and it tastes just
Is there
as
a
good.
proper way to butter
Yeah,
your
you
bread
know.
these days? Oh man, I meant to look up fun facts about Cinco de Mayo for this video, and I didn't.
We could talk about Cinco de Mayo for a second because there are a lot of misconceptions about how Cinco de Mayo came to be.
How did it come to be, Jessica?
Well, a lot of people think that it's Mexican Independence Day, and it is not. It is in fact a celebration of Mexico's victory against France at the Battle of Puebla.
Did you write this speech?
No.
You were even talking like, everyone thinks that.
Well-
that. Did you practice in the morning in the mirror?
No, I've just written a lot of articles about it at this point, or read a lot of
Oh,
articles
that's
about
fair.
it at this
That's
point.
fair. We've buttered
We've buttered.
the griddle. Now we're buttering the bread.
Yes.
What order are we going in? And we want to do a quesadilla
Two
up front
pieces.
too, right?
Yeah, so I think we should let this get a little toasty,
Okay.
and then we'll flip it, and that's the side we'll put our cheese on, because then
Okay.
it'll be nice and warm.
Okay.
Should we cut our quesadillas while this is getting toasty?
Yes.
Okay, our tortillas are a little bit longer than our bread, as you can see. So we're just gonna trim the edges.
And you'll be surprised how much you can taste the quesadillas and the grilled cheese. It's so good. Like, this is not a healthy recipe, but I want to eat one every day.
Yeah, let's crank this guy.
What color do we want to start with?
Ooh, good question. I think we should start with green.
You can use your fingers as long as you have washed your hands.
And as long as you're okay with them getting a little green.
I did not consent to that, but I guess I'm already
She's
in.
Ooh, she's going hard cheese.
Oh yeah, we are layering this cheese. I want this cheese just goozing out.
I'm gonna flip this puppy. You wanna put some more green on there? Give me a little
You
bit
can
of
really
that.
do this for like any holiday. Like Valentine's Day, you could do it, you know?
Yeah, and make it.
No, you need more cheese than that.
Okay,
What
it's,
you doing,
it's
sister?
gonna smush out the sides.
Who cares if cheese is smooshing out? Isn't that a goal with grilled cheese?
I suppose.
Too much cheese, said no one ever.
Are your fingers green?
Okay,
Yes!
a little bit.
Now we let it melt.
Yeah, just for a little bit though. Like as soon as the quesadilla is melted, we could probably put it on and start flipping it. And then we put like a layer on for the next grilled cheese, right?
Yeah.
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 Also, if you were cooking with a griddle, don't touch it because I just touched it and it was very hot.
You know what I just realized?
What?
We don't have our flipper.
Oh, run and get it.
Gotta go get it.
Fast, fast, fast!
I'm going. I don't know where it is.
And
What
cheese
did you
bubble.
do?
I stood here watching cheese bubble.
Looks like you got into trouble.
I didn't do anything.
You and David both had very suspicious looks on your faces.
Okay, smush it down a
Oh,
little
man.
bit so the cheese starts coming out.
Yeah, that side got really bubbly, which I like because I like it crispy.
It's
getting
like
smushy.
it's dying. It's so green.
Okay, are these guys burning? Oh no, they're perfect.
They're perfect.
Perfect.
Okay, I'm flipping this on.
Yeah.
Okay, I need to turn it in the right direction.
What's the right direction?
It's the same opening. I don't know. The top and the top.
Oh, okay. There you go. Beautiful.
Great. Now I'm gonna put this baby on this one.
You might want to like finger it a little.
We're gonna pretend like that didn't happen. You can't even see the quesadilla. There's so much cheese.
Not yet.
It's so good.
Okay, all right.
Okay,
Oh my gosh, it's so smushy.
Now though, I think we need to let it sit for like 1 second and then flip it over.
But we should get our other stuff going too.
Put in the white.
Cheese me up. But I think for this one, so we only need. We should take this guy out. Because we only need white cheese. We're gonna put white cheese on top of here, and then white cheese on top of here. The layering is very difficult for this
like,
part.
We have gotten into like not spats, but kind of just like it's too hard to figure out in your head.
It's too complicated.
Like, I don't know, wing it. Obviously, we're making a grilled cheese quesadilla grilled cheese, which is kind of like Mexican American.
Yeah, fusion food.
Yeah, but what's your favorite Mexican food?
Chili rellenos.
Oh,
Easy.
man, you're fancy.
What's yours?
I just like simple bean and cheese burritos, but like
Oh, me
really,
too.
like the ones that come from the places like that are hole in the wall.
All right, should we flip this guy and put some white cheese on it?
Sure.
Great.
The green cheese is starting to
It's
just
so
fall
melty.
out. Okay.
Oh yeah.
It looks so good.
The other cool thing about the sourdough bread is it doesn't seem to burn that quickly. Like, it's been on this griddle for a while and it's just nice and toasty.
Yeah, it's just working with us, you know?
Yeah, it really is.
It's like, all right, girls, let's get this done for you in one
Right.
swift shot. Flip it, flip it.
Oh,
Oh!
Oh man, all right.
So scary. We probably need to put butter on the bottom or move it into some butter.
Move it into some butter, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Slide that into that butter.
Butter, honey. I mean, you can make this like any version you want too, right? So you could get vegan cheese, cashew cheese.
But we
You
put
can get-
so much cheese.
Yeah. You need to use ghee butter if you want to make it
Ghee.
healthier. You can get healthier bread. Like you can make this still gonna be indulgent, but it doesn't have to be like sourdough with butter and dairy cheese and all
That's
that.
true, but like if you're gonna go hard, go all the way.
Because you want the colors to be in order of the flag. So green, white, red.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, it
Looking
looks so good. All right, should I put some cheese on this guy here?
Yeah, I'm gonna flip this quesadilla.
I like how crispy the quesadillas get too. The tortillas get really nice and
We were
toasty.
really uncertain if we were gonna do the order right, and I'm really proud of us right now because
Such
we're
a good
totally
job.
doing the order.
Nailed it.
Okay, should I put the quesadilla on?
Sure. You think it's melty enough?
It's starting to come out the sides.
Well,
You don't touch the hot griddle, people.
I burned my knuckle. Okay.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. There's another one added to the collection. All right. Hazards of cooking.
Oh no, I should have put in the quesadilla on that. I think I still
I
can.
think we can do it. Yeah. Quick fix.
Quick fix.
Perfect.
All right. And we're back
Oh
in the
man,
game.
it was so good.
Like nothing ever
Aw,
happened.
that looks great.
What are you talking about? I did it right the whole
Yeah,
time.
I know. For our
Final
fun.
layer.
That's what I was just gonna say.
Good pressure.
Oh, you did good. Good
Our
job.
sound effect.
Oh.
All I don't know how I'm gonna flip this though.
I don't know how you're. Okay, is this like a team effort?
Do we want to put a little butter before we do it?
Yeah, good idea.
Is your adrenaline rushing? Because my heart is racing. So I'm like, this is the defining moment.
This is the final
Like,
flip.
if this falls apart, our sandwich is over. Okay, ready?
Should I help you?
I don't know. Are you gonna burn yourself again?
Probably, but
Okay.
it's worth it for this goodness.
Okay, one.
Wait, which way are we going?
That way.
Oh,
Towards you.
okay.
1, 2.
Okay, we gotta straighten it out.
Say,
though.
folks.
Okay.
I celebrated a little too.
Yeah, I was like, wait, don't leave me hanging. Okay, wait, you're still hanging. You're still leaving me hanging. Woo!
It's gonna look so good.
All right.
All right.
It really is cheese art.
It is. The green is just like, look at, we have a TV where we can see it, and the green is just oozing out for you guys. I think it's pretty much done.
We have to add our color.
Oh,
There's more color.
Oh my gosh, I totally forgot.
Oh man, it's so heavy. It's like this dense brick of sandwich. Final step is to complete your flag. All right, so first step is we're going to use the white color mist, and we're just gonna do a line down the middle. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're just gonna spray some right down the center.
And this doesn't have any flavor, and it's not toxic, so you're good.
Just
Go
looks
crazy.
pretty. All right. So nice little spray of white. We do our green next.
Yeah.
All right, so for this one, I'm taking a piece of computer paper, and I'm just laying it gently across the sandwich so it's like a stencil. Thanks, Lauren.
Yeah.
Ready for
Here
your
to
fingers
help.
to get
Ready.
green?
Green it up.
There we go.
Perfect. You see all the
I know.
stuff
It
on
definitely
there.
gets everywhere.
We're all gonna be dyed.
Final color, red.
Put it on there. And you want
Oh,
these going long ways, horizontal across. So if you cut it, we'll show you. All the flag colors are still there. Perfect. All right, so you're gonna cut it down the middle. Ugh, that's a lot of layers.
Oh man, I'm so excited. Ready?
And you have your Cinco de Mayo grilled cheese.
Quesadilla.
Oh, Cinco de Mayo quesadilla grilled cheese. Yay! It's so beautiful. I can't help but like look away from the camera and like look over there to see how pretty it is.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, and it tastes delicious.
And
like,
it's so good.
we're gonna take this, we're gonna eat it,
Yeah.
but we wanna get photos of it first, so we're gonna end this and then do that really fast and then eat it because it's delicious.
Ready, go.